Hey guys, if your touchpad has stopped working on your Windows 11 computer, then keep watching, as in this video I'm going to provide you with some quick and easy solutions. The first thing we're going to do is check that our touchpad is actually enabled, and we can do this by heading over to our start menu and searching for settings, and then tap on the settings icon. And if you don't have an external mouse connected to your computer, we can always use the arrow keys along with the tab and enter key to follow along with these instructions. Then once you're inside of here, we need to come over to Bluetooth and devices, scroll all the way down to touchpad, and at the top here you just want to make sure your touchpad is actually enabled, toggled on, and if you've got this set to on, then come all the way down to Windows Update from the left here, and we also want to ensure that we're running the latest version of Windows, which we can do by pressing this check for updates button, as sometimes new software releases can include things like fixes for our hardware and applications. You can then head out of this window, and next thing we're going to do is head back over to the start menu and this time search for Device Manager and tap on Device Manager. Then inside of here you'll see from this list something called Human Interface Devices, which we need to expand, and at the top of this list you should see your touchpad. Mine's labeled as Asus Precision Touchpad. We just need to right click on this and come into Update Driver, and we can search automatically for drivers just to ensure we're running the latest driver on our device. And then you can head out of this window, and also a good idea here is to right click again and select uninstall device, click on uninstall, and we're just going to reinstall the device by coming over to action at the top, and then we can press scan for hardware changes. And as you can see, this has now reinstalled the touchpad. And once you've finished inside of here, we need to close out of this window, and if that's still not working for you, another thing we can do is come over to our start menu and search for registry editor and tap on registry editor, and inside of here you need to expand HKey local machine, inside of software, inside of the Microsoft folder, come all the way down to Windows, then expand this Windows folder, inside of current version, scroll all the way down till you see a folder called policies, and then we can expand the policies folder, then come all the way down and we need to press this system folder, and inside of here you should see a file called enable cursor suppression. We just need to double click on this file, and we're going to change the value data to 0, and you can hit OK to save your changes. Now at this point in time you'll need to restart your computer in order for these changes to take effect, and then hopefully by restarting your computer that's now fixed all of your issues. Now if your touchpad still isn't working, the last thing I'd recommend is to remove any external devices connected to your computer. So anything that you have connected to your computer, whether it be a USB stick or a USB mouse, I'd recommend removing these to see if that also fixes the issue. And hopefully that's now fixed the trackpad. If it's still not working, then please drop a comment below and I'll try my best to assist you. If this video did help you, then please drop a like and subscribe. Until next time.